Croeso I Ysgol Ganradd Gymraeg Llyn y Forwyn. Dyma ein taith Olaf, our last journey.
Dwi di blin o lan. Dwi'n casau codi ar fore llun.
A fi hefyd. I hate getting up on a Monday morning.
A dwi'n holl fi on air bus ddim yn helpu chwaith.
I know. All those rules when I haven't even opened my eyes.
Eisteddwch lawr. Gregis. Dim chwerthin.
Sit down. Put your belt on. No laughing mind.
Dwi gytuno. Stressio fi mas, man.
Bore da, Jacob. Highlighter.
Late again, Jacob. Better not let Mr. Griffith know.
Mr. Griffith? Mae e'n hoer yn aml. He's never on time.
Shh, man. Roedd mam yn hwyr eto. Bwyd ydy'r brecwast yn y car eto, Jacob. Eating your brekkie in the car again?
Wel, dwi yma nawr. Ydych chi'n meddwl bydd gwasanaeth bore yma?
Bydd gwasanaeth bore yma.
Of course bydd gwasanaeth bore yma. Of course there'll be an assembly this morning.
Mae hi'n fore llun ac mae pawb yn gwybod pa'r moff ydi Miss Daith o wneud gwasanaethau.
Dydd Llun, dydd Mercher. A ffeidwch ac anghofio am gwasanaeth dathlu disgyblion a dydd Gwener.
Monday, Wednesday, not forgetting celebrating our people's talents on Friday.
Dyma barhad,
Perseverance,
Wetna,
resilience,
gonestrwydd,
honesty. A peidiwch ac anghofio, rydyn ni'n rhan o Deulu Llyn y Forwyn.
Ble mae bach wedi?
Miss Richards.
Seriously, Miss Davis always tells us it's not until we leave here that we will really appreciate how important the school has been for us.
Mae hynny'n wir fi'n credu. Dim ond ar ôl i ni adael bydd ni'n gwerthfawrogi rhan pwysig yn yr ysgol hon.
Dwi'n methu credu fod i'n amser yma ar fi'n dod i ben.
Na fi chwaith. It's almost all over for us here, just a few more days. Ac mae pethau'n mynd i newid am y blynyddoedd eraill hefyd.
Yes, it's going to be such a big change for everyone else too.
Ysgol newydd sbon, a brand new school.
Hey, is Mr. Griffith and dod â'i coffee cyn here? Mr. Griffith will be on his way with his coffee soon. We better shift.
Wow, beth yn y byd? What on earth? I mean, what is that?
O ni ddim, ond mae'n edrych yn ryfedd.
Hey, mae'n efo tymau ryfel. Some really strange buttons here.
Mae yna ddrws hefyd. There's a dog here too.
Awn ni mewn.
Yeah, go on then. Miss Davis always tells to reach for the stars.
Ac I drio pethau newydd and to try new things.
Let's do it!
Oh no! Beth ydych sŵn yna?
A sled! Ti wedi pwysio botwm hwnna!
I didn't mean to press it. What's happening? We're moving! We're ni'n symud! Help! Le ydyn ni?
Yn yr ysgol dwi'n credu, ond mae rhywbeth yn wahanol.
Yes, we are in school. Mrs. Bishop's come in.
A Mr. Wallen hefyd.
Bore da, ysgol Llyn y Forwyn.
Yes. Oh no, okay, well I can talk you through it. Type in RCT to pay it, then select dinner money. Then find the name of our school, then type in your child's name. Got it? There we go. Easy. Of our.
Bore da, Mrs. Bishop.
Mr. Wallen, bore da.
Milk not here then.
Not yet, no.
Every day, I get early and I don't see till now, or till late and I'm hanging around waiting. Ah, hang on a minute. Here he comes, man. Slept late, did you, but?
Eh? What's that?
There we go. What time do you think you'll make an appearance tomorrow morning then?
Depends on the traffic, but to be honest, and my focus now overnight.
I know. I know. I'll have to see.
See the morning, hopefully.
Focus for tonight, bad then, Chris.
Apparently, who knows? It could just be a bit of a shower. Here they come. Have you got any sweets for me?
No.
What do you mean no? Come on then, let's go and do some learning.
Board out, let's go for the ride. Snow? Yes, so I've heard. Well, we don't really know yet. I'll be open tomorrow. Hang on, let me get my crystal ball and find out.
Croeso. Diolch i chi am dod heddiw i ddathlu'n hen asgol anodd gyda ni.
Roedd yn trio ni agwenu am adrodd y hanes yr ysgol heddiw.
Welcome. Thank you for coming today to celebrate our old school and all the exciting times that face us.
We are your friends, and today let's take you back in time to look at the history of our dear school. Dechreuodd taith ein ysgol am Monty Gwaith. The history of our school began in Ponty Gwaith, where a few classfuls of children began learning through the medium of Welsh.
1985. Beth sy'n wedi digwydd am 1985?
What happened in 1985? Dyma oedd y flwyddyn fwyaf pwysig i ni. This was a very important year for us.
Dyna pryd ddechreuodd ysgol Llyn y Forwyn.
Wow!
Bron i 40 o flynyddoedd yn ôl! Wow! Nearly 40 years ago!
Yn 1985 dechrau 36 o blant a 2 aelod o staff yn yr adeilad yma.
In 1985, 37 children and 2 members of staff were moved in this building here.
Mr Davis oedd y pennaeth yr ysgol ac yn flaengar wrth ar ei drws yr iaith Gymraeg yn hwnnw y fach. The headmistress of the school was Miss Davis, and the driving force behind growing Welsh education in the Rhondda Fach.
Roedd Mr Glyn James a Mrs Howard James hefyd wedi breudio galw dros y iaith Gymraeg ac yn dal pwysig o hanes ysgol Llyn y Forwyn.
Mr Glyn James and Mrs Howard Jones also fought tirelessly for the Welsh language and is an important part of the history of our school. Miss Wendy Hill oedd y athrawes arall. Miss Wendy Hill was all a member of staff that continued to agree in ysgol Gymraeg Llyn y Forwyn. Dyma Miss Davis nawr. Miss Davis, pam wneud ar ei llaw?
Miss Davis, why are you sitting on the floor?
Miss Davis, ble mae
Bird's eye.
Miss Davis, where are the tables? Peidiwch â phoeni plant, bydd cadeirai a byrddau gynnu cyn bo hir. Synidion ni heb cadeirai na byrddau. They moved in to the school of various resources, not even a chairs or table. Ac ar y pryd oedd dim enw gan yr ysgol. At the time, the school didn't even have a name. Yn yr adeilad arall, roedd ysgol Babanod Dyffryn.
Ysgol Union Saesneg. In the other building, which is now our infant department, were the children of Dyffryn infants, an English medium school.
Although two schools shared a building, they kept the children separate. After a whole term of being nameless, our school finally had a name.
Ysgol Gymraeg Llyn y Forwyn.
Diolch, Miss Davies am beth yn mor hyfryd i'n hysgol.
Ac rydyn ni'n mynd ar enw ysgol un adeilad newydd.
Ac roeddwn ni'n cadw un gwisg ysgol. As time went on, more and more parents decided on Welsh education for their children.
Erbyn 1990, roedd ysgol Llyn y Forwyn yn llenwi'r adeilad yma.
And different infants were still even joined down Park Primary. This news did not go down well. Dechreuodd y rieni protesta yn erbyn ysgol Gymraeg. The parents of the children, different infants, held protests outside the school. Keep the Welshies out! Keep the Welshies
Dystrym.
Daith staff a disgyblion, diri ond mae pob un yn aelod o deulu Llyn y Forwyn.
Staff and pupils came and went, but will always be part of teulu Llyn y Forwyn. Gydawyd Mr Davies yn 2009.
Diolch am popeth, Miss Davies.
A daeth Miss Davies newydd agor.
Although we will be sad to leave our old building, the stories,
The memories and the friendship will last forever. Bydd y straeon atgofion a'r cyfeillgarwch a'r anwyd dros y mynyddoedd yn para am byth.
And me too. Without Llyn and Howys fighting for a Welsh school in the Rhondda, we won't be here today.
Yn sicr, rydyn ni'n mor ffodus.
Awn ni nôl mewn?
Yes, let's go back in the present again. I'll do it. Tri, dau, un, I ffwrdd â ni!
Mae wedi stopio eto.
Edrycha, y llyn! Ni wedi glanio wrth y llyn! A dwi'n clywed mwy o plant, and I can hear more children. Dwi'n credu bod ni'n mynd i clywed hanes chwedl Llyn y Forwyn. Yes, I think you're right. They're going to tell us the story of Nelfer.
Dyma blwyddyn 2.
Croeso am y tro olaf yn ysgol Llyn y Forwyn yn y ddeiliad hon.
Dyma stori Nelfer.
Un tro, roedd bachgen o enw Gwyn yn byw ar fferm y Fechan. Roedd Gwyn yn unig. Helo, Gwyn.
Helo, rydw i eisiau copa mewn cariad.
Drian am Gwyn. Cerddodd a cerddodd a cerddodd. Gwyn dodod mas y llyn yn edrych am ei defaid.
Ond ble mae defau?
Be! Ble mae nhw?
Ydyn nhw cefnir tu ôl i coed?
Dyma nhw!
Mae gen i gariad yn y ffwr.
Cyd ei llwysau llwm.
Mae gen i gariad yn y blaenau.
Nid yw mwy na sain am yna.
Mae gen i gariad bydw byddu.
Ac am yn gyfwf mae glwt y llestri.
A phan bw'n mynd i'w dywydd garw, roen i fy nhod i'n cadw. fi gofyn dad, ond mae dad yn byw ar waelod y llyn.
Doedd Gwyn ddim yn gallu gofyn.
Wna i priodi ti ond.
Rhaid i ni ddod.
Fod dwi'n mynd nôl i llyn?
Oes enw Corella? Oes enw Corella?
Mae'n gallu mynd nôl i llyn.
Mae merched yn gallu mynd nôl i llyn.
Mae Gwyn a Nefych yn priodi.
Mae Gwyn a Nefych yn priodi.
Yn eglwys llaw yno.
Oedd y ddau yn hapus am ddeg rhwng y ddechan.
Roedd
y ddau yn hapus am ddeg rhwng y ddechan.
Ond, dyma nhw Corella, tai gwaith. O na, dyma Nefych.
Yn mynd nôl i llyn. Yn mynd nôl i llyn.
Gyda'i gwased.
Gyda gwerthu.
gwybod hanes enwyn ysgol.
And now everyone knows why our school is called Llyn y Forwyn. Dwi'n dylu bod yn ddisgybl fan hyn. Awn ni dod mewn i gweld beth arall gallwn ffeindio ar ein taith.
Yes, let's go. I'm present this time. Daith, top yn glawn ni nawr.
Rydyn ni nawr taith gyffroes ffrindiau.
Yes, this is such an exciting journey. Cuddiwch, mae rhywun yn dod.
I know that, Mum, but I just can't. I just can't talk about it. It's making me feel so upset, man. Miss Williams! Miss Williams! Court, oh my God. Besi bod nawr. I gotta go now, Mum. It's alright, Jess is here. Besi bod, Court? Oh, Jess, dwi'n just mor upset am y asgol yma. A gada fan hyn, I just can't cope, man. Mae'n mynd I bod yn okay. Bydd yr asgol newydd yn le amazing. Pawb gyda'i gilydd yn yr un adeilad. It's gonna be fine. Everyone together in one place a... Yard flat! Yay! Dwi'n gwybod bod ti'n iawn, ond dwi'n caru chi yma. Dwi yn hefyd, ond mae rhaid I ni symud ymlaen nawr. Mae pethau'n mynd I bod yn well I bawb. Dwi'n gwybod ti'n iawn. Ei, coat off I sgidiau newydd yna. A, diolch, Dol. Sy'n mat, man? Nice. Trousers neis hefyd. Wardrobe yn y sef. Nice. Be, ti'n gwisgo o'r sadwn te? Dydw I ddim yn gwybod eto. Depends how the spray tan turns out on Friday. Beth ti'n gwisgo? Wel, blazer a shorts pink dwi'n credu. Top deal yn pre-mark. Nice. Wyt ti'n siarad fi bwcio eyebrows I ni? Yeah, go on then. A nails. Yeah, go on then. Ooh, where you off then, girls? The corn, is it? Oh no, you pack. Benidorm, is it? No. Llan Granod, yay!
Oh,
Yes, let's see where the machine takes us this time.
And now, get your ass up. The whole and it's time for dinner. I bet you 3 and 4 get to go first again.
Na, achos y cheiliad, yn trwn iwe, blwyddyn 5 bach wy.
Hooray!
Alright, Lynn, those things. Alright, Bev. Alright, Car. Alright, Bev. You okay, Tam? Yeah, right, Bev. Hey, Bev, I was Blackpool. Alright, Dad, we had a laugh, few drinks, lots of dancing. Oh, I bet. Wait till we go Liverpool Friday. We'll show those scousers how to do it. I can't wait now. Mr. Lucas, are you going to join us in Liverpool?
Liverpool? No, too busy, girls. Always too busy.
Right, Lynn, you ready? Shall I ring the bell?
Aye, go on then, Bev. Let's get him as we can get home. You a rabble, Jack?
Take your time now after Thomas Davis. One at a time, pizza first, then chicken. If you're having a wrap or jack, get up in front.
You a rabble, Jack? It's love.
Linda, they're not a rap or jack, they're children. I've told you this before.
Ugh, rap neu jacket. Cracker neu ffrwyth.
Da iawn, Karen.
Dwi'n dolu ar basta Linda. Mae mor flasus.
Ond mae'r pizza yn mwy hefyd, gyda chorn melys.
Bev, mae ti wedi gosio mewn eto.
Not you then, Bev. I didn't, Bev, it was you.
Come on now, there's no rush. Everybody will have their dinner.
See this tactless o sgwelwch yn dda. Dwi'n brysur, mor brysur.
Come on then, move along, then find a seat. Linda, can I have some more? I'm starving. Lynn, can she have some more?
More? No, you can't, sorry, love. Only enough left for spillage now.
I'm taking them out, girls, okay?
All right, Bev.
Phil, dwi'n mor llawn.
Does dim byd yn debyg I ginio Linda.
I agree. Linda makes the best dinner and a jelly and cream. Lush.
O'n I ddim os bydd lle gen I am fwyta wedyn, ac mae mam yn fynd siopa.
Shopping and Ferndale and Glynredin.
Beth am I wneud gael gweld os gallwn glanio ar stryd fawr? Let's see if we can land on the main street.
Yes, great idea. Let's see if this thing will take us to the high street. There's so many shops. Bydd digon o glegs fanna. There'll be plenty of goss there.
I ffwrdd â ni!
Fi'n gobeithio bod ni'n cael diwrnod brysur heddi. And me, I hope it's really busy. You've made all them cakes, Sam. Fi'n gwybod brownies, biscuit, blondies, and a stunning Victoria sponge. Be there now. Went to Cow, being as usual. And it's Ira Dawn's funeral this morning, I think. Well, ni bod yn barod te. Dyma nhw dod nawr. Order. Hello, lovelies. You okay?
Table for 4, please. Not by the door. I don't want to be squashed.
Oh no, not by the door. I don't want another tin. Last time I was about for weeks. There's a lot of that going on. Everyone's had it. Joyce has been off of work for a few weeks now. Mind you, she's always off for something.
May I have menu, please?
Yes, here it is. I was just bringing it over.
Cup of tea and a full breakfast, please. I'm starving.
Get me a green pig, please. Panini, please, and a tap water. Just some toast me, Emma, and a coffee. I hope you're going to have some cake, guys. My Emma, Whiteboard, and Poppy, try nose. Lovely, won't be long.
Not a bad send-off today for the old boy. Fair play, quite a good send-off.
Oedd chwarae teg. Didn't expect that many Raymond. Didn't think he was that popular. Always had something to say about everyone and everything. Didn't go right today then. So sad.
Aye, we were just saying the same.
So sad? Really sad? Oh fuck. Yeah, so sad. There we go, guys.
Biba, biba.
Oh, I wonder what that's going.
Heading down towards North Road. Must be a crash again. No wonder it's at no school. I knew there'd be trouble with the traffic.
Oh, come on, man. It's not that bad. They had to build it somewhere.
I'm just glad I'm moving from Darren Terrace. Fed up with him on years of parents parking with their like. Can't wait till they go.
And they even have a parents' car park on the new site. About time too, I still heard that ambulance man and me. Can you cancel my order, love?
We've often.
Gonna see what's happening, man. See you tomorrow then.
Do you want any Victoria's bun?
Can you wrap it up, Emma? I'll call back later. Toodaloo.
Some people there. She's doing my head in anyways.
Hei, edrychwch! Fe sy'n fanna?
Cynlluniau un hysgol newydd.
Na, nid ein ysgol newydd, ein hadeilad newydd.
Yes, you're right. It's not planned for a new school. It's just a new building.
Dechreuad newydd o fewn adeilad sy'n mynd i cynnig cyfleoedd newydd i plant Cymronda fach.
Yes, this building will offer all the children in the Rhondda Fach a building that is fit for purpose.
Ceddiwch, roedd yn 4-5 yn dod. Mae nhw wedi bod yn dysgu llawer am ein adeilad newydd.
Gadewch i ni gwrando.
Mae gadael ein hen ysgol yn teimlo fel ffarwelio a chyfais anodd sydd wedi bod gyda ni rhoi bob chwerthin, pob her a phob buddugoliaeth. Am flynyddoedd mae'r ysgol hon wedi bod yn fwy na dim ond adeilad. Mae hi wedi bod yn gartref, yn llawn atgofion sy'n ymestyn yn ôl drwy genedlaethau.
Leaving our old school feels like saying goodbye to an old friend who has been with us through every laugh, every challenge and every triumph. For years, this place has been more than just a building. It has been a home. It's filled with the warmth and memories that stretch back through generations.
And look at that ceiling. One more sneeze and the whole thing might come down the ladder. Look at the state in this lot! Fancy better there! Beth are the thing on you hon? Look at the state on this!
Really, the old one felt dim, beat, tebyg, and never seen the light.
My hair now. It must be some kind of old relic. It's got to go. This school is shaped there now with lunchboxes after thinking the being a Tino get the tea bob is awful. Let's get out there. Tino had it. Get out when he in there all I do up and do. Agree. Let's report back and tell them this school building is officially condemned. This school must be the falling apart by school lots of counter. Being a Tino get the tea bob is all when Calvary story great.
On new title good even can he go, but let's go before it comes off.
Blame him in there, Bob. We're off next to Bob, so we're tidy, I hope. Mae gan bob cornel o neuaddau hon stori i'w hadrodd. Mae'r ystafell o'r dosbarth, lle dysgau, gwersi diri, yn atsteinio gyda lleisau plant bellach wedi tyfu. Bydd yma chwarae, lle ffurfioedd, cyfeith garach ac ysbrydolau dychymyg, ond cadw chwerthin a glywed yn ystod yr eiliadau gwertha hynny o lywenydd.
Every corner of these halls has a story to tell. A classroom with countless lessons to learn. Echo with relationships and heart growth. The playground with friendships restored and imagination sought. We'll forever hold the laughter the rang of those cherished moments of joy.
Rydym yn cofio'r athrawnydd wedi harwain. Nid unig yn ein hastudiaethau, ond hefyd mewn bywyd. Roeddent yn fwy na ddim yn addysgwyr, roeddent yn bentoriaid, modelau a weithiau hyd yn oed fel ail deulu. Bydd eu caredigrwydd neu geiriau calnogol gyda ni. Bwyd a pawb, hefyd rydym yma i siarad am rhywbeth arbennig iawn. Rydym yn ffarwelio hen ysgol ac yn baratoi symud yn ysgol newydd bod. Ond nid yw hynny gyffroes. Mae'n hen ysgol wedi bod ar gartref ni ac mae gennym ni gymaint gofyn gwych yma. Bydd fydd eich atgofyn chi ar ôl ni adael. Logan? Mynd i cofyn llawr ffrych le dyn nhw hen eon. Rydw yn wedi lawr o waliau a chwyl yn tyfu ti mewn o dosbarthiadau.
Dwi'n mynd i gofio'r system mae sogi hynafla wnaeth i ni deimlo fel ein bod ni. Yna ardig nhw mewn coed o glawd drofannol.
Ond nawr rydw i fi'n cychwyn ar amddiw newydd sbon, mae'n hysgol newydd i Canterbury.
Rydym ni wedi clywed bod yr ystafell dosbarth newydd mor fodern ei bod yn gwneud i hyn roi edrych fel ei bod yn perfform yn amgueddfa.
A beth am y maes chwarae newydd? Mae'n enfawr. Mae'n debyg y gallwn ni ffitio ein hen ysgol i tu fewn iddo.
Mae hyd yn oed mygyd gyda ni heblaw am maes chwarae.
Ar ben orau, dim chwarae sgwethig mwyach.
Erych bod y gyffroes, dwi'n siŵr byddwch chi dal i colli rhaid pethau am hen ysgol.
Fel y ffordd roeddwn ni'n anabod pob trwch a choner o'r llyn.
Ond y le byddwn ni ddim yn colli ein ffrindiau nac athrawon oherwydd maen nhw'n dod gyda ni. Myfyriwch mor holl atgofion newydd y byddwch chi'n gwneud yn ysgol newydd.
Byddwn ni'n cael ysgrifennu'r dosbarth newydd i wneud y ysgol hon yr un mor arbennig a hynny.
A ffoi o oer, y falle bydd gan yr ysgol newydd, rhaid surprises nad ydym wedi i daw ganfod eto.
Rydyn ni'n hynod yn falch o hynny chi gyd. Rydych wedi creu gymaint o gofyn gwych yma, ac rydw i'n gwybod bod y byddwch chi barhau i ddisgleir yn yr ysgol newydd.
Ond dwi'n mynd i weld eisiau ysgol hon, rydw i wedi bod yn dod yma am flan o fwy.
Ie, ond cofiwch, nid yw'r deiliad sgwni ysgol, ond y pobl ac rydw i mor ffodus cael chi i gyd.
We remember all of the teachers who guided us, not just in our studies but in life. They were more than educators, they were mentors, role models, sometimes even like a second family. Their wisdom and kindness will stay with us always as will the memories of every smile and encouraging word.
Ac ni dylen anghofio rieni ag ardodniadau hyn. Yn union fel y gwnaethon ni, yng ngochr y plant gyda cwtsia oedd e wedi dychwelyd. Roeddent yn ymddiried nhw ysgol hon gyda'i trwsioau mwyaf gwerthfawr. Nid ni addysg blanc a gafod, ond hefyd cymuned, teulu. And let's not forget the parents who walk these halls, just as we did, dropping off the children with a hug and a promise to return. They trusted this school with their most precious treasures, and in return, they received not just an education for their children, but a community, a family that supported them through the ups and downs of life.
Rydym yn gyffroes iawn i sôn wrthoch chi am yr adeilad newydd ar gyfer Ysgol Gymraeg Llyn y Forwyn. Bydd yn llawer mwy na dim ond lle i ddysgu. Bydd yn ysgol sydd yn eco gyfeillgar. Mae hynny yn golygu ei bod hi wedi eich cynllunio i'w helpu amgylchedd ac i gefnogi'r dyfodol cynaliadol.
Un o'r pethau mwyaf anhygoel yn ein ysgol newydd yw bod yn adeilad dim carbon net. Ond beth mae hyn ei olygu? Wel, mae dim carbon net yn golygu y bydd y swm o carbon dioxide, coodau, y bydd yr ysgol yn gynhyrchu'n agos iawn at zero. Mae carbon dioxide yn nwy sy'n gwneud y ddaear i gynhesu. Felly, drwy gynhyrchu llai ohono, rydyn ni'n helpu rafi newid hinsawdd.
One of the most amazing things about our new school is that it will be a net zero carbon building. But what does that mean? Well, net zero carbon means the amount of carbon dioxide that the school produces will almost be zero. Carbon dioxide is a gas that makes the earth get hotter. So by making less of it, we're helping to slow down climate change.
Bydd yr adeilad yn ddefnyddio anifaru fel pŵer solar. Bydd yr paneli solar yn dal ani o'r haul ac yn blaen fyddin. Dwi'n gwneud hyn, nid oes angen i'r ysgol ddefnyddio tanau ffosil sy'n wythau llawer o coodau, rydyn ni'n ddefnyddio ani glanwerth o'r haul.
They build a will use renewable energy like solar power.
Solar panels will capture energy from the sun and it will turn into electricity. By doing this, the school doesn't need to rely on burning fossil fuels, which can release a lot of CO2, by using clean green energy from the sun.
Mae hefyd bwysig mawr ar effeithiau ani. Bydd y waliau to a ffenestri yr ysgol ei gwneud o ddefnyddio iaith sydd heddi gadw y deilad yn gynnwys yn y gaeaf yn gŵl yn y haf.
There's also a big focus on energy efficiency. The walls, roof and windows of the school will be made with materials that can help keep the building warm in the winter and cool in the summer. This means we need less energy to heat and cool the school, which saves even more carbon.
Did you know that the school will be built on the site of an old factory? This is called using a brownfield site, which means we're reusing land that's already been built on. By doing this, we're protecting nature from being destroyed for new buildings.
Sôn am nad y bydd mannau gwyrthion o amgylch ysgol. Bydd y mannau hyn yn cael eu plannu blodau a glaswedd. Mae coed a planhigion mewn wych amer yn gyfer oherwydd eu bod yn rhanhau yr ail drwy gymryd mewn CO2 a ryddhau oxygen. Hefyd, maen nhw'n darparu dawrtref i anifeiliaid fel adael invertebratiaid.
Speaking of nature, the new school will have green space around it. These areas will be planted with trees, flowers and grass. Trees and plants are great for the environment because they help clean the school by taking in CO2 and releasing oxygen. Plus, they provide homes for animals like birds and invertebrates.
A peidiwch ag anghofio am algylchu. Bydd gan yr ysgol newydd finiau arbennig ar gyfer algylchu deunyddiau. Bydd papur plastig a metal. Bydd gennym hefyd finiau compostio ar gyfer gwastraffau sy'n gallu cael ei drombydd am ein gyrsi. Mae compostio yn helpu i leau ac ymlaen o i'r ddeall.
And let's not forget about recycling. The new school will have special bins for recycling materials like paper, plastic and metal. We'll also have composting bins for food waste, which can be turned into soil for our gardens. Composting helps reduce waste and gives back to the earth.
Bydd y holl nodweddion echo gyfeillgar nid yn unig mynd i helpu amddiffyn y blaned, ond hefyd yn awed arian tymor hiw. Bydd yr ysgol yn wada hywedig oherwydd bod yn defnyddio llai o ynni ac cynhyrchiaeth dron yn ei hun.
Mae hynny'n golygu
bydd mwy o arian i'w wario a'r dysgu a gweithgareddau hoelog i ni.
All these eco-friendly features will not only help protect the planet, but also save money in the long run. That means more money can be, the school will be cheaper to run because it uses less energy and produces its own electricity. That means more money can be spent on learning and fun activities for us. Wrth i ni baratoi ar y lle yma, ar ôl, nid dim ond brics rydyn ni'n gadael. Mae galon ac yn enau i pawb sydd wedi cerdded drwy jyst ei hyn. Eu byddwn yn symud ymlaen ddechreuadau newydd, bydd ysbryd y hen ysgol yn byw yn ymwneud pob amser. Mae hi wedi siapio pwy ydyn ni ac am hynny byddwn ni hyd yn ddiolchgar.
As we prepare to leave this place behind, it's not just bricks and mortar we're leaving, it's the heart and soul of all of those who were part of these doors. Though we may move on to new beginnings, the spirit of this old school will always live within us. It has shaped who we are, and for that we will be forever grateful.
era.
Ond, rydyn ni ddim yn gallu gorffen
Heb gofio am ein staff ffantastig
sydd wedi bod rhan o'r ysgol yma ar hyd y blynyddoedd. Diolch i bob un ohonoch chi. Staff y gorffennol, past staff, present staff, staff y presennol, ac wrth gwrs y rai nad sydd yma heddi.
Diolch i bob un ohonoch chi.
Amser ni'n teithio nôl i'r ysgol nawr, well i ni fynd.
Whoa, dyn ni ddim gallu gadael eto.
Yes, you're right, we can't go yet. Cyn i ni ganu can yr ysgol am y tro olaf yn y deilad yma.
Until we sing our school song one more time in this building.
A dim ond un person sy'n gallu canu'r piano i ni. And there's only one person who can play the piano for us.
Mrs. Crowley!